There are
Okay.
only 50 engineers working on the WhatsApp, and
Yeah.
900 million active users are there every day
Wow.
using WhatsApp. All the people want to become the teacher because after
Exactly.
graduating, people do not find the job, so they start teaching the same thing that they have studied.
So you'd like to talk about why IT professionals are overpaid?
Yeah, exactly. You got it right.
What has made you think that IT employees are overpaid? Have you had a certain experience?
Oh, well, nothing like that. But I said, usually these days, especially, I used to encounter with the person who are, software engineers. So they are, when I just used to ask about the salaries, they used to always tell me like, 94, I mean, 1K, something like, I mean, 1 lakh rupees or something like that. Okay. But in India, especially because I'm from India, this is something a very handsome salary, believe me. All right. So, it made me to, to just, think about that actually. Why is it happening so? Because as of now, what I believe is that, as you said, I couldn't agree more on this, that they are not overpaid as of now, because the things has been completely changed. And when we see these software engineers, because they have uh, very important responsibilities, to
Mm-hmm.
manage the data collections, and this about the security system stability, how they can just ease the system for the customers to just use it very friendly, like kind of things, so when I compare, they actually deserve it. Exactly.
Yes.
They
I
deserve it
think
actually.
I think they're probably paid so high because it's a developing industry. People want to put money into that industry because that is the future. But we should compare their work with the work of people who do work in person, who help people, such as doctors and nurses. And if they're getting paid more than the doctors and the nurses, then we have to think, oh, is that fair? Is that right?
Oh, sounds good. I mean, you spoke my word, I was just going to give the example of this doctor actually,
Yeah.
like as we know, health should always be concerned first, okay? As we know in the real life. So doctors are kind of pet because they have the responsibilities to take care of your issues, the things that is going, with your health issues, something like that. So when it comes to software, these software engineers or maybe engineers are what? Like they are the doctors for these systems, security purpose. So just take a case, if they would not work, if they would not give the thought on this, if they're not paid nicely or handsome, then what happened? They are going to be taking it for granted, like they won't give that much thought into that. They will be careless about the things, and we have to pay for that. For example, we are using social media, every day we used to register so many applications, and we used to give the data, private data. So
Yeah.
if any kind of media, like of course we know like Facebook, these kind of things are stable, has the security, but we cannot rely on every kind of software data or something, applications. So some, they might use applications in a bad way, so that's why maybe hackers gonna hack the system, they're gonna take those things. So that's become quite essential to pay handsome salary to these workers, so that they could work efficiently, productively, to manage the system. Exactly.
Yeah. Our data has become such a valuable commodity, hasn't it? Protect it, we do have to pay large amounts, and we do have to trust the people who are protecting our data. So I guess
There's
that's
no
another
choice
reason.
actually, there's no choice, you have to
Yeah.
rely on the social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube. And definitely they are actually changing the world, in a different way. You can have the best example right away. We are talking through a software, where
Exactly.
you are earning, and also I'm able to learn communication skills from that value with so
Yeah.
easy things, having no kind of limitations and all. It's a flexible hours, it depends on you, if you
Yeah.
might get any kind of bad person, you have the system to block anyone. So it facilitate you with so many options,
It
so
makes your life have more possibilities. You have more options. Things can
definitely.
fit around you rather than you fitting around that. Do you understand what I mean?
Definitely, it's a win-win situation. For the companies, they are generating revenues. You are able to get those things that what you want, and even at the same time, I'm able to get the best. I have the options. I mean, choices, and it's always the best to have the options. Because in the real life, what happened? You can't get that much options. So I believe
Exactly.
exactly. So online, that's the reason. I don't think so that they are actually overly pet. But sometimes when I used to compare, with the those people who are in the big position, for example, Apple CEO, like Tim Cook, or maybe Sundar Pichai, Google CEO, you know. So these peoples are massively pet. Getting me?
Yeah.
Even the one who is running their own business, like a very great business, extremely
Yes.
successful business, even they're not able to generate such kind of income. How much they actually earning every single day?
So
Exactly.
it's
So
measuring the amount of work people put in with what they get paid, and sometimes it's not even. Industries that are being funded and developed are always going to be people who work for those industries are always going to be paid more than those industries that are already established and that we've had going for years. So I
okay,
guess
so what do you think, Miss? Like, this salary or this kind of payment will keep going on in the coming days, or something like, I mean, some kind of other brick. I mean, other things will happen, or they won't be paid that much. What do you think? So
I think what will this new industry, there'll be something bigger and better. And if the software developers don't move with it and develop themselves, then that will become an existing industry and then they'll be paid less. And there'll be some other industry that we don't even know about yet who'll be
yeah,
paid
what is
more.
gonna happen? Yeah, exactly,
So
exactly. Yeah.
it will be
So
some sort of extra technology.
definitely, definitely, we are on the same page on this. Because. But still, there is something that we need to understand, because this is a new market. I mean, definitely by this COVID-19, after this COVID, I mean, software engineers are really working hard. They are getting paid very handsome actually. But somehow, in coming days, it will be a cutthroat competition. Because all the people are turning into that phase. I mean, all people want to become like software engineers because salary
Yeah.
is good. I mean, even though it's about learning, and of course they are going to deal with the things. Okay. And also, most importantly, I mean, you all definitely know WhatsApp. There's a one fact that I'm going to tell you about the WhatsApp. There are
Okay.
only 50 engineers working on the this software. I mean, WhatsApp, and
Yeah.
900 million active users are there every day
Wow.
using WhatsApp. Can you think of? So I mean,
Those
we do
50
not need, exactly, because of this artificial intelligence. I mean, the machines are made to operate the system. You cannot rely even on the people. So what happened is that the job is just cutting down.
Yeah.
Right now, for any job we need only 50%. Let's just take a case, we need 50%. So in coming days, because the machines and the things are being evolving, so we're gonna take only 10 people, not more than that.
Become redundant and robots and computers are going to take
Definitely.
over, aren't they?
Exactly. And of course, the other example is that I said that it's gonna be a cutthroat competition, because the demand will be, of course, high. Okay. And the supply will be too high in the same way. Like, can
The
you see this
market will
teaching
be
profession? Even
saturated.
even the teaching profession is very much important. It's I don't say, I won't say like it's overpaid or underpaid. It's okay, it's balanced, because the demand is high, definitely. I say that.
Mhm.
But in the same way, supply is also very high. All the people want to become the teacher, because what happened, that after
Exactly.
graduating, people do not find the job, so they start teaching the same thing that they have studied. Exactly.
Hmm. Definitely.
Exactly.
Yeah, I
This is what
agree.
I believe. Don't take these things into a bad way. I
No, I do agree with you. I think it's becoming a very saturated market, isn't it? Especially with technology.
Mhm.
I mean, people are wanting to get into that industry because it's developing and it's very well paid, but the market then becomes saturated, and then there becomes no need for people because software develops so much that the people become redundant.
Definitely, definitely. I exactly want to say the same thing. And furthermore, I would like to add one more thing. I mean, if they want to be overpaid, it's nothing but our losses. Actually, let's just take, you have so much income of in any bank account. If the software will not work on it, they will not protect it.
Yeah.
Maybe in, hackers are doing every these kind of shady things, and they might do something wrong. So your money will be fished out. Yes or no, like kind of things gonna happen. So
Yeah.
for the time being, definitely great. It's nothing bad. But I believe, today's, just because of this engineers, other engineers like civil engineers, electrical engineers, their value has, just
Has
fallen
decreased.
down actually, because I have done electrical engineering.
Oh, so you're an electrical engineer.
Exactly. So that's the reason, but I have never been into much into that stuff, because I was, kind of, when I was in my first year, I thought, to change this stream, I mean, not to change my career, I don't want to be, that person who can do the job from morning to night. So that was not my cup of tea. All right. So I thought to just, do something like kind of entrepreneurships, kind of, something like working on the skills, rather than finding out a job and, working every day for that, for daily wages. That's not
You
something
want to develop
that
yourself and
fancy me.
keep improving and keep developing with technology and as it moves on.
Exactly, because I want to become a rich and prosperous person, and for that, I believe, working on your skills is quite mandatory, and you have to,
Definitely.
speak with the people, you have to negotiate with the people, you have to, just seek the opportunities, you have to understand so many
You
things.
can't wait for
And
opportunities to come to you. You've got to find them.
exactly. And I don't, today, if you want to become really good, I mean, best of best, then you have to actually work hard on anything. It doesn't mean that, only we need the software engineers. For everything, we need so many things. So I believe having the, if you are multitasker, you can actually explore yourself into different kind of things. And, if you can find a niche, you can able to generate, I mean, you will be able to generate so much income into that.
If you find that area
Exactly.
in the market that people are missing, then and you're in demand, aren't you?
Definitely. But still, I believe, right away, anything should be started from this online and digital, digital things, because it's so efficient, it's so productive, having very fewer limitations, and you can get the results like infinitely. I mean, infinitely. Okay, not infinitely. Yeah, exactly.
Infinitely. Yeah, that's right. Anyway,
Yeah,
we're almost out of time,
pronunciation.
but it's been lovely speaking to you, and I've learned so much from you as well.
The same with me, actually. I'm really fascinated with the way that you spoke, the things, and exactly spoken the words that I wanted to.
Oh,
So I
good.
really appreciate that.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so
Have
much.
a
Bye
lovely
bye.
day.